Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English with English Learning Podcast. It's Adam here with Sarah, and today we're talking about something super fun, making plans with friends.
Hi guys, I love this topic because it's something we all do. Going out, meeting friends, and deciding what to do together.
Exactly. In English, making plans is all about using simple, friendly sentences like, do you want to? Or, let's go.
Yes, those are the two main ways. For example, do you want to go to the movies? Or let's have coffee tomorrow.
Perfect. And if you want to sound polite, you can also say, would you like to? Would you like to come with me to the park?
Right. So Adam, let's pretend we're making weekend plans.
Okay. Sarah, do you want to go to the beach this Saturday?
That sounds great. What time do you want to go?
Maybe around 10 a.m. It won't be too hot then.
Good idea. Should we bring food?
Yeah, let's bring sandwiches and some drinks.
Perfect. Maybe we can play volleyball too.
Yes, I love volleyball.
See, listeners, that's how easy it is to make plans in English.
You can also say, how about? For example, how about meeting at the cafe? Or how about watching a movie?
Yes, that one's super natural. Let's do another example.
Sure.
Hey, Adam, what are you doing tomorrow?
Nothing much, just relaxing. Why?
How about going shopping together? I need to buy a gift.
Sounds good. What time?
Maybe 3 p.m.?
Perfect. See you then.
Easy, right?
Totally. And if you can't join, you can say things like, sorry, I can't. Or maybe next time.
Yes, let's practice that.
Sarah, do you want to come to the park later?
Oh, I'd love to, but I have to study today. Maybe tomorrow?
Sure. Tomorrow works.
See? That's friendly and polite.
Exactly. English speakers often add soft words like maybe, sure, or sounds good to sound kind.
Yes, and you can confirm a plan by saying, okay, see you at 6 o'clock, or let's meet at the cafe.
Right. Let's do a full little story.
Okay.
Hey, Sarah, are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
I was thinking, how about going hiking?
That sounds amazing. I love hiking.
Great. We can leave early on Sunday morning.
Sure. I'll bring snacks and water. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the bus station at 7 a.m.
Perfect. I can't wait.
Me too.
So, listeners, you see, that's a real-life plan. Use short, friendly sentences and add small details. Time, place, what you'll do.
Yes. And when plans change, you can say, sorry, I can't make it. Or, can we do it another day?
Right. That happens often in real life.
So Sarah, what's your favorite way to spend time with friends?
I love coffee dates and picnics in the park. We just talk, laugh, and eat. What about you?
I love game nights, playing board games, or watching movies together.
Nice. So everyone, try to make a plan in English today. Maybe say, let's meet after work, or do you want to go for coffee?
Exactly. The more you use these phrases, the more natural your English will sound.
Yes, and remember, making plans is not just about English. It's about connecting with people.
Absolutely.
So that's all for today, friends.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with yours.
Friends, thanks for listening. Go make some fun plans in English.
See you soon.
Goodbye, everyone.